Welcome all of you guys in Learning channel. I hope you are very well and doing very well. Now, one opportunity for fresher, BBA, BCom, MCom, freshers. Uh, the Capgemini is hiring guys for financial role guys. The location will be Kolkata and eligibility BBA, BCom, MCom, finance graduates, freshers only, not experienced person. And the shift will be night only. After selection, it will be depend on like work and if you are recent graduate here to quick start your career in finance and thrive in a dynamic environment, this is your chance guys. So you if you are meet these types of eligibility guys, to please fill the form how where you can eligible fill form guys. So the this is link of filling form like Microsoft form. I will pin this filling link in description box, and when you click this, so name, email, phone number, graduate stream, are you comfortable with Kolkata location, okay, are you comfortable with night shift guys, this is only night shift, जेंडर करंट लोकेशन आपको भरना है, फिर आर यू कंफर्टेबल विथ 2.02 एलपी अभी स्टार्टिंग फ्रेशर के लिए तो ठीक है. नाउ मार्केट इज डाउन, सो गाइस इट इज बिगेस्ट opportunity for fresher. If you not got any job right now, that's reason I am saying guys. So that was a video about of this hiring opportunity. So one request you guys, if video was informative, please subscribe the channel, press bell icon and share also your friends. Okay, so मिलते हैं अपन ऐसे वीडियो के साथ. जब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, थैंक यू वॉचिंग द वीडियो गाइस.